Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. We're going to start our phonics lesson and start out with our rhyming. Remember, repeat after me. If it rhymes, thumbs up. If it doesn't rhyme, thumbs down. Stay, they. That's right, it rhymes. Is, tip. Nope. And, your. Beef, reef. None, fun. Nice job. Our next one is onset fluency. You're going to tell me a word that begins like talk. Talk, tree, trampoline, tie. All of those words start with t, so they all begin the same way talk does. All right, the next one I want you to do on your own. Tell me a word that begins like had. So you're thinking for words that start with h, h, h. Tell me a word that begins like odd. Aw. Tell me a word that begins like us. Tell me a word that begins like rain. Great, I hope you came up with some great words. All right, next we need our choppers. We're going to blend our phonemes. Repeat after me. Oh, no. B-O, bow. T-oo, two. Ch-oo, chew. Sh-oo, shoe. Nice job. Next one, we're going to isolate our final sound. We're going to need our arm to punch it out. Repeat after me. Oh, sorry, wrong one. All right, repeat after me. Beef, beef. None. Pot. Have. Cab. Excellent. Next one, you need those choppers again. We're going to say the whole word and then cut it into two pieces. Repeat after me. High. H-I. Rye. I. Sigh. S-I. Thigh. I. Why. W-I. Awesome. Next one, we're going to be adding sounds. So you're going to start with an ending. We're going to add a beginning. You're going to put it together. All right. A. Add may. E. Add w. We. I. Add t. Tie. O. Add s. So. Ooh. Add z. Zoo. Excellent. Now we're going to delete our phonemes. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands, and we're going to take a part away from it. Here we go. Your word is zoo. Without z, what's left is ooh. Way. Without w, what's left is a. Fee. Without f, what's left is e. Dough. Without d, what's left is o. Y. Without w, what's left is I. Excellent. All right, our next one is our substituting. So you're going to need your fists. Ready? Repeat after me. Had. Change h to s. Sad. Sad. Change s to b. Bad. Bad. Change b to m. Mad. Mad. Change m to d. Dad. Dad. Change d to h. Had. Nice job. All right, we're almost done with our rhyme for our language awareness. I'm going to say 5 lines today, and you're going to see if you can repeat it. If you can't remember the whole thing, back the video up and watch me again. Here we go. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. All right, your turn. Awesome. All right, have a great rest of your day. We'll hear the end of it tomorrow. Bye-bye.